morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Today we're going to do just a little maintenance here on the birds of paradise plant. She's looking a little sad. She's looking thirsty. She's in a southwest window here. Gets plenty of light. But yeah, she just needs a little water today, and we'll go over just the basics of that. Yeah, so as you can see, her leaves are starting to curl a little bit. This is a new one here. They're starting to curl a little bit in, and that's kind of an indicator saying, hey, I'm thirsty. Yeah, as you can see, she's showing some signs of being thirsty. Her leaves are starting to curl in. This is a brand new leaf. So we can go ahead and check the soil. We give it about, 2 inches down. She's dry. There's nothing there. So what we're going to do is we're going to give her a good thorough watering. Let the water run clear out the bottom. So yeah, we'll get to that, and I'll show you what I like to do as far as just adding a little fertilizer to each watering. Just a tiny amount. It's like a little microdose. So I use this Schultz plant food. I get it off of Amazon. And basically states you're just using 7 drops per watering. So that's all I do. Fill up my can. And then simply give it a shake. Seven drops. And then we'll go water the plant. It's all around the base here. And you normally do this by doing the finger test. Just go around, check your plants, see how they're feeling. If they're dry, then you're gonna wanna give them a water. If you put your finger in there and it's still moist, then you can give it a little more time. Just always check your soil. Don't this another can, because she was actually pretty dry and we haven't had any water come out yet. All right, another can. This can I just did plain fresh water. I don't want to over fertilize anything, so she got a little bit of food in that first can, and here's a second can with just plain fresh water. And let's see. Okay, so there you can see that she's starting to drip water out of the bottom. So now the whole plant, the whole pot I should say, now has a good solid watering. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that drip and just finish dripping before I bring it back in the house and put it back in its little drip tray. So, hope you learned something a little bit today about the basics of watering our birds of paradise, which she's hitting the top of the roof now, so may have to start doing that on the ground. But, and you can see some of my other plants over here. We'll go over those eventually. Hope you guys have a great Sunday, and we'll talk again soon. Like and subscribe if you already haven't, and go on and share with your friends. Thank you.